Hey, what's up? Danny Gonzalez here with IndustrialSage, and I just wanted to submit this chipped-in material for you on LinkedIn Live. So LinkedIn made the announcement mid-February that they're rolling out with their live streaming product, and I see three major opportunities for you to do that and to really leverage this opportunity. And here are the three reasons. The first one is, while LinkedIn is not, they haven't launched it for everybody yet, it's going to be coming for the rest of the year, it's that we know that the vast majority of manufacturers are using social media in 2019. How do we know that? We did a survey earlier this year, and we talked to over 150 manufacturers, and they told us that. And you know what? LinkedIn was the #1 platform they were going to be focused on. So, hey, that's where the party's at. That's where you need to be. Number two, you're likely already doing live kind of content. What do I mean by that? I mean like webinars. Do you do webinars? Do you do lunch and learns? Maybe a safety training event or something? Like maybe you do other events at a conference, for example. You're already doing it. So guess what? Leverage that opportunity, get on LinkedIn Live and amplify your message. And here's the third reason. Much like Facebook Live, when they came out with their live platform, I predict that LinkedIn's going to do the same thing and that they are going to heavily promote live content over other content. What does that mean? Well, they've got a new product. It's going to be great, and they want people to use it and have a much higher adoption rate. So if you're using LinkedIn Live, there's a really good chance that they are going to just take that content, push it way up in people's feeds, and that's a great opportunity for you so that you can get in front of your audience, you can get in front of your audience's audience, get your message out there, share some valuable information, and really build that brand awareness for your company. So, hey, listen, I hope you liked this. If you want to learn more about it, hey, come check us out at IndustrialSage.com. We love being able to contribute here with making chips. Man, these guys have got it going on. So thanks for watching.